I guess technically it's Mencia, but I feel like I sound like an idiot when I pronounce it correctly. Day 11, we're going to be talking about Mencia, the grape from northern Spain. I guess technically it's Mencia, but I feel like I sound like an idiot when I pronounce it correctly. So let's go. Hey, welcome back to Drinking It In. We are on day 11 of the 2024 Advent Calendar of Wine, and we're talking about Mencia, the grape from northern Spain. It's in the Bierzo region, is where it really grows the best, and it's a red wine that is sometimes referenced as an equivalent to Pinot Noir, but I don't know that that's the greatest comparison because I find these wines to be generally a little bigger than Pinot Noir. They do have some similar flavor profiles and characteristics, but I always find them to just have a little more weight and a little more oomph. And so let's talk about it, right? Mencia, medium-bodied grape, medium tannin, medium to high in acid, kind of medium across the board. Now, it is a very similar flavor profile to Pinot Noir. It's very red in nature, right? Cherry, strawberry, raspberry, some floral notes. So a lot of similarities there. But I think there's sort of like this licorice note that kind of comes through at times where, and it really differentiates these wines. And I think I have there are only a couple of regular options that I see in Rhode Island or or I saw in Massachusetts as well. And I'm guessing you'll have the same experience if you're in the U.S. But my favorite Mencia is this Petalos, or excuse me, Petalos. Somebody corrected my pronunciation, and I forget whether I just got it right or just butchered it again. So this is the Descendientes de Palacios. This is the 2001 um, Petalos Mencia, but I basically, when I go into this one particular wine shop, I always pick up a bottle of this if they have it. So I tend to have versions of that in my cellar at all times because it's just one of my favorite wines always. And I think again they're approaching $30 now, but basically really right around the $25 to $28 mark. You should be able to find it, and if you do find it, you should definitely buy it and give it a try. Get on the Spanish wine train before it leaves the station. I hope you're enjoying these videos. I appreciate your time. And if you're not subscribed already, 95.73% of you are not. So, hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. And it's the holiday season. Why don't you give a subscription to me? I'll talk to you soon, guys. Thank you.